Ibabalik ko lang ang nakaraan at bibigyan ko ng isang payo ang batang sarili ko. Ano kaya ito? Huwag kang sumuko. At kung bibigyan ko kayong lahat ng isang payo, ano rin kaya ito? Huwag kang sumuko. Napakalungkot tingnan na halos lahat ng tao ay sumuko sa mga pangarap nila dahil lamang sa idinidikta ng ibang tao. You don't need to fit in. You do need to walk alone. If people don't support you, then who cares? This is your life. Habang nangangarap ka ng mataas para sa sarili mo, mas lalong dumami ang mga bagay na hahadlang sa'yo. Sometimes friends will hold you back. Society won't support you. Or worse, your parents will stop you from doing what you want. Life has plenty of examples of what could go wrong. Plenty of examples of how hard life is, how much of a struggle life is. Pero wag kang sumuko kagad. This is reality. You're not the only one who play this game. We all do. At naniniwala ko na ang lahat ng tao ay may kakayahan na baguhin ang buhay nila. You're not stuck. Don't ever believe in limitations. Huwag mong hayaan na pati sarili mo ay naikulong sa mali mong pag-iisip. You are capable of anything, only if you believe. Because with belief comes action. With belief comes possibilities. With belief we are open to opportunities. Kung hindi lang natin susukuan ang mga pangarap natin, kung palagi lang nating pag-aralan ang buhay ng matagumpay na tao, kung patuloy lang tayo sa ating paglalakbay sa kabila ng pait at sakit, kung bubuksan lang natin ang diwa natin, kung tayo'y magpursige sa buhay, kung tapat tayo sa ating sarili, kung may pananalig lang tayo sa ating Diyos, guess what? Anything is possible. Kung maniniwala ka lang, tsak makakamit mo. Ang dahilan kung bakit marami ang nabibigo ay dahil sa hindi man lang sumubok. You fail by default. Lahat ng bagay na gusto mong makamit ay hindi madali. There's no easy way. But never give up. Again, there's no easy way. But the surefire way to not achieving anything is if you never try in the first place. Alam naman natin na hindi natin hawak ang kinabukasan. Pero hawak natin ang ngayon. What you do today will shape your future. Hindi man mangyari ang inaasam mo sa ngayon, huwag kang susuko. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. Never give up. Never ever give up. Create your own reality. Feel good about yourself because more good things come. Kapag hindi ka maniniwala sa sarili mong kakayahan, I guarantee you can't move forward. Know this, that life presents challenges to all of us. Mabuti man o masamang pangyayari, tanggapin mo hindi dahil sa partito ng buhay, kundi partito ng iyong paglalakbay. Respond to your situation in a calm way. Challenges are given to the strong people. If you're weak, you're not part of this game. Play your part so you can deal with it better. Never give up. Never, ever give up.